Hello guys, my name is Abhishek Kushwaha. I belongs to Muzaffarpur district, Bihar. So today I am going to talk about what what types of document required in SSC Phase 11 MES 3323 post for MES Military Engineering Services Junior Engineer. So what types of document required for document verification? So let's talk about that. First of all, most important document do you really have? Must have OBC certificate. Yes, if you claim OBC certificate, then you have a no choice. You have a OBC certificate. If you don't have OBC certificate, then you can't claim category benefit, any types of category benefit. In call letter, mention a date of 27 March 2023. Before this due date, your OBC certificate will be valid. After that, if becoming your OBC certificate, then this is not valid. And I don't have a category certificate before this due date. So let's see what's happened in my case. So I am study about that. Then I know about that once 2020, once aspirant case on SSC. Then SSC clarified that before the claiming date, your date of notification, last date of notification, your document will be ready. Your document will be ready. That means which around document will be ready. Your document will be ready. That means my document is not ready. So next document is diploma mark sheet. If you have a diploma, if you're doing a diploma, 3 years diploma is valid. If you have a 3 years diploma, then you have then required a 6 every semester mark sheet and final certificate and their migration certificate also. And every types of document require 2 different copy, each one of them must have. Next document is character certificate. What types of character do you have? This will be made by your college professor or also made by your police verification. Both options are used, but whenever I know your college certificate of a character certificate is also valid, so go through them. I have a character certificate of college. I also going to that. And most important document is 10th mark sheet, 10th certificate, and 10th admit card. This all of document is must have. Your 10th mark sheet and admit card is those data match with your Aadhaar card and your admit card. If you don't match, then you have a problem. You also be rejected. You can also be rejected because of this problem. If your name on your call letter and your admit card on 10th mark sheet both are different, then rejection chance is more. Call letter. After selected in phase 11 document verification, you get email of call letter and my document verification date is 12 February 2025. Okay, and also most in this document is also required, that means three recent passport size photo, three are same, three recent passport size photo is required. Yes, three recent passport size photo is also required, and you must have Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID card, election card, and other many category. How many documents do you have? You go to all of them, and what are the requirement in the your Delhi office, chief engineer, military engineering service office, provide them, and you must have a attestation form in every of them, your sign and date of the mention, what date do you deliver this all types of document. Then you fill the form of military engineering service phase 11 SSC. Then you put all the data which match with your 10th card and your best document. If you don't match, then you will get to the provisional, and this is create a good amount of problem. You can also mm, can be rejected. So focus on also demo, and be careful because in those time in train, most of the time stealing, robbery happened. So let's be careful, and your document will more careful than you, because they end up some mistake do you have, then create a big problem. Let's talk about it today. What Dobin, that means something wrong and you tell all of them. Eve away, that means gradually decrease, and at the end fade away. Zip by, pass quickly, come along to make progress or improve. Lie down, rest to rest. Go off to explore sudden noise, alter ego. Other alternatives alter ego. Chime in to join a conversation. Chime in does mean to join a conversation. Chime in to join a conversation. Not unlike that means same. Have shown that means tell. At the heart of main matter. At the heart of main matter. Fence in to restrict boundary. Create a boundary. Then and not forced to come any types of animals. Cop out. Leave the responsibility. Duff up to beat or physically attack someone. To beat or physically attack someone, duff off. Okay, this is today all about that. Let's see what can I achieve in this SSC page 11 document verification. If I selected, then it is good for me. If I not selected, then let's see what's happened, man. Let's see. I selected, man. I selected. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I selected. I will be selected. I will be selected. I will be selected, man. I definitely will be selected for this job. I definitely will be selected for this job. I definitely will be selected for this job. I know the robust person is less, but what can I do? So that's it today all about. Let's meet next day. Today is that all about. Let's meet next day. Sign out, Abhishek Kushwaha.